This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're going to show you guys a new Kia EV6. I'm not sure if this is called facelift or whatever, but it has gone through a little bit of refresh. So one thing you will notice is the front. So we just happen to have the old EV6 here. This is the EV6. Is this GT? I believe that's GT. Yeah. And yeah, this is the old look, and the front new now is slightly different. And also they have now improved the battery, just like Ioniq 5 also. So now you have 83 kilowatt hour battery, and then they boost up the charging speed from 230 to 260 kilowatts. So it looks kind of similar, but I'm going to show you that in the old EV6 looks something like this. I mean, it's still nice, right? But look there, piano finish. Yeah. And well, this happens to be the GT, yeah. But in the new, they actually remove the piano black. Huh? Now it's matte black. Oh, thank you very much. Huh? Did Kia watch my videos? Probably not. So it has a matte black finish instead. Other than that, you still have a nice interior here, but there's a different screens. You have to do a side by side, and also this dashboard panel here is also different look and feel now. But it's supposed to have a, let me show you here, a slightly curved screen. Now I don't remember how it was. It's also a curved screen. Okay, maybe that one is not different, but they have done some changes at least for the car. Maybe not major changes. The back still looks kind of the same. I was hoping that they could try to fix this, because I'm not a big fan of what it looks like in the back versus the old. But also I have to say, this look is growing on me, because I was sitting there looking at the old EV6, and if you look at it from a certain angle, let me see, I have to try to get the correct focal length also, around 50 millimeter. I think from roughly this angle here, the EV6 looks freaking incredible, man. Yeah, but not much else I can say. I'm still waiting for the new EV6 to come as a press car so I can test it. But yeah, also, yeah, I heard that the new front that they changed, it's not going to affect the drag coefficient, so it's still going to be the same as before. So it's mostly just the battery and the charging speed and slight interior change. And I mean, yeah, it's still a nice car. Wow. Just eventually I need to test this also interior wise. Can you fire it up? Yeah, we can. Okay. 16, huh? It's camping at 16% battery in the showroom. Okay. Yeah, low battery one. But yeah, at least now we've seen it. The new stuff, I'm gonna test it, of course. I'm gonna test the EV6 and also the Ioniq 5 with the new battery. So yeah, but this was just a quick review of what is coming up eventually, but I haven't booked it yet, so I'm not sure if I'm able to test it this year or next year, because I booked press cars until mid-November. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.